Warning. Reactor core is at critical.
All reactor core safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for reactor